In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable full screen mode in the Google Chrome browser. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to maximize your viewing area on the web, whether you're watching videos, giving a presentation, or just enjoying a clutter-free browsing experience. And don't worry, it's a straightforward process that you'll easily get the hang of. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. It's best to ensure you're running the latest version of Chrome to take advantage of all the latest features and updates. If you're not sure whether you've got the newest version, you can check in the settings menu, but for now, let's assume your browser is up to date. Once Chrome is up and running, navigate to the top right corner of the window where you'll find 3 vertical dots. This icon represents the Customize and Control menu. Clicking on these dots will open up a drop-down menu that houses a variety of options and settings for your browser. Now, you might notice a plethora of functionalities under this menu. However, our focus today is strictly on enabling full screen mode. Look for the option that says Zoom. You might see a percentage displayed next to it, which indicates your current zoom level. Directly to the right of the zoom percentage, you'll find a square icon, which, when hovered over, shows full screen. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked full screen, you'll notice the browser immediately expands to cover the entire screen, eliminating any distractions from the address bar and browser tabs. This mode is very practical when you require a larger view without the clutter of extra controls or information that can be distracting. To exit full screen mode, you simply need to press the EST key located at the top left of your keyboard. This key is quite handy and allows you to toggle out of full screen mode with a single press. Alternatively, you can re-access the top menu by moving your mouse pointer toward the top of the screen to reveal the drop-down once again, where you can select the Exit Full Screen option. An additional tip for those who like shortcuts: you can also enter full screen mode quickly by pressing F11 on your keyboard for Windows users. Or if you're using a Mac, the Command plus Control plus F shortcut does the trick. This is a great time saver once you get accustomed to it. And there you have it. Enabling full screen mode in Google Chrome is as simple as that. It's a straightforward yet powerful tool that can greatly enhance your browsing experience whenever needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe for more browser tips and tricks. Take care and happy browsing.